Success comes from going through failure after failure without losing enthusiasm. Hello guys, this is Ankit Kumar Singh and I welcome you to another Monday motivation video. Now, previously whatever videos I did, after doing that I thought this is the complete recipe for success. If anybody follows it, any man or woman follows it, they will be successful in their life. But I was wrong. Previously I thought, okay, if you have to give sacrifices, have a proper target, be disciplined, be consistent, have patience, do hard work, do smart work, all these things, I thought this much was enough to be successful. But recent events have shown me that this is not the complete recipe for success, and that is why one more keyword has to be added to it, and that keyword is enthusiasm. Google might tell you like a desire or something to do enjoyable or something desirable. There is a Google meaning to it. I haven't Googled it, so you can Google it on my behalf and know what is the meaning of enthusiasm. But what I know is, even if you are disciplined, even if you are patient, even if you have to give all of sacrifices, and even if you are consistent on doing hard work and smart work and following the path of your dreams, there might come a situation where you'll have to go through failure. You'll have to go through another failure, failure after failure, because you cannot be successful in one day or 1 week or something like that. Or even after having a complete plan, you won't be successful just like that. And after facing failure, lot many people may just give up, lose their hopes, lose their dream. But that is not the case here. You'll have to be enthusiastic here. That is why enthusiasm, a little enthusiasm for what you are doing, takes you a long way. Hence, not only the other things what I have said before, but you will also have to be enthusiastic towards the goal that you want to achieve to become successful tomorrow. That was it for today, guys. If you have felt motivated enough, then this video, if any one of you has felt motivated enough, then this video is successful. And if you have watched till now, then as always, thank you for watching and dhanyavad.